Saying mom and sir, my name is Annalyn Avery. I'm 32 years old. I'm a married. I have five kids, the age of 15, 11, 9, 7, and 5 years old. I finished the degree as a high school graduate. My first working experience in Saudi Arabia as a domestic helper, 3 years and 6 months. My work take care of two kids the age of 3 years old and 5 years old. My duty is look all the time, prepare good food, washing clothes, cleaning the house and others. My objective is help her, shakiness and take care the children all the day. Mommy and sir, I'm a person with a job. I work in all my heart. I hope to I hope to introduce you soon. Thank you.